Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For today's vlog, it is an interesting one. Why? Because I am gonna show you what's inside my ref. So, are you ready? Let's go! Okay, so this is the main fridge. Ang unang door. First layer, the topmost layer, usually ang nilalagay namin, soft drinks. So, in this case, meron kaming Pepsi, few cans, para malamig na siya, just in case, sa bahay na to, may gustong uminom ng soda. And I also have here a few cans of Canada Dry Ginger Ale. So, paano ko pa i-describe yung lasa nito? The closest is, I think, if you know Kali, shout out to batang 90s dyan. So, feeling ko Kali is the closest lasa nito, if I am not mistaken. Kasi nakalimutan ko na rin actually yung lasa ng Kali, but I know that it is sweet and this also. Kaya, yun yung naisip ko agad. Second layer, obviously, eggs. So, puro eggs yung laman nito. White eggs, tray of eggs, and some salted egg. So, in this house, may kami sa itlog, actually, ng mga tinapay and biscuits. So, obviously, this is Oreo. I have birthday cake Oreos, and this is my favorite, the mint cream Oreos. Ano na siya? Paubos na siya actually, kasi inopen ko na siya. Hindi na ako nakatiis. Talagang favorite ko yung mga mint flavor. So, I have here few packs of Oreos, and I store sa fridge mga tinapay. Best ways kung paano mo ma-store yung tinapay to prolong its lifespan is to store it sa fridge lang. Para kahit beyond expiration date, pwede mo pa siyang makain. Toast mo lang siya, okay pa siya. So, yan o, Luko, bawas. Kahit tatlo lang kami sa bahay, madami akong tinapay. At ang dami ko sinabi, tinapay pa lang. Next! I have few cookies here. It's not mine actually, kay Roxanne to. But, yeah, dito na rin namin in-store. Ay! Ulit yung tinapay ko. Yeah. Shelf. Bumili ako sa Daiso ng mga parang organizer na ganito for less than 100 each. So, I bought ng mga malalaki and also maliliit where I put my bottles para pupul mo na lang pag gusto mong kunin. Hindi mo na kailangan i-reach pa sa likod yung mga bottles or mga containers or anything na kailangan mong kunin from the back of the fridge. So, pull this and then get the item you want. So, since eto na yung una kong nakuha, here, cabbage kimchi, our favorite. And here, I have a classic pesto sauce. I love pesto. It's one of my favorite pasta. And chili garlic sauce. So, yeah. Over here, mga palaman, lotus biscoff, and some cocoa jam. And I have here leftover tomato paste. So, this is my another tip for you guys. If you have leftover anything na galing sa malaking bottle or sa Tetra Pak or sa box or sa lata, please do transfer it in a small container, preferably, what is this? Garapon jar na clear para makita mo kung ano yung nasa laban. Para makita mo kung ano yung nasa loob, kung ano yung laman niya, Or you can label, this part is a real deal. Why? Because I will show you yung mga leftovers namin. Yeah. Some for leftover food sa clear container, and preferably may takip para yung amoy niya hindi kumalat sa buong ref. So here I have penne pasta na niluto ko and a leftover lato na binili namin ni Mark. Nakinain ni Mark. At siya lang kumain kasi walang may gusto. And yeah, I have Starbucks frap. This one is mocha. Dalawa yan, ininom ko na kanina umaga yung isa kasi tinatamad akong mag-brew ng coffee. So, I have here also pomelo and mango salad. Naman is, okay. So, this is my sauce. It smells good. This is my secret sauce that I make every time I cook steak. Kasi sobrang bet ko yung lasa niya. And favorite din to ni Mark. Counter no lights, please. And I have here some cauliflower na sinote lang ni Mama. And kanin. Kanin. Yes, kanin. So, yan na. Hindi na yung takip niya. Buti na lang hindi to maamoy. So, yeah. Alam ko na, tomorrow, ang uulamin namin ay ang water. Pitcher of water. Water, 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 water. Kasi ito yung pinakamabigat. So, para meron siyang support nitong bracket dito. And itong crisper. So, pwede kaming maglagay dyan ng mabibigat. Thus, we have here a big jar of pickles. This is Mark's favorite. Pero nasasanay na rin ang kumain ng pickles. Yep. So, dito lang siya because it is so heavy. And that is a big tub of mayonnaise. Last two drawers ng main fridge, ang nakalagay ay gulay at prutas. So, we have 2 crispers here. Take note of the fruits and veggies na hindi kailangan i-store sa ref nyo. So, another tip from me para ma-prolong yung life ng fruit or veggies and para hindi aksayado sa space. So, these are my veggies. Another tip is that you put dun sa bottom yung matitigas na gulay. And sa pinakaibabaw yung mga malalambot naman. So, I put my sayote on the bottom and I put talong and this kamote top sa ibabaw. And this, nagsaute ako ng cabbage kanina para as our second ulam. Pero maraming natira. So, I put this in a container. And sibuyas, diba, hindi mo naman siya gagamit lahat, lalo na pag konti lang yung mga kailangan mong lutuin. So, container, and another sibuyas and bawang, naka-ziplock para hindi umamoy din. This tray na nilagay ko dito, eto yung mga dati kong, or nauna kong binili than these. So, another tip from me, first in, first out. Alam ng nasa bahay na to na etong pag meron dito na gulay, eto muna yung gagamitin. Kaya dito rin sa part nakalagay yung mga tirang sibuyas para hindi na kailangan na hiwa ng another sibuyas na malaki, tas hindi naman din mauubos. So, pag isang tingin mo pa lang, alam mo na dito yung mauunang kunin at iluto or whatever para hindi aksayado sa food. So, I have here carrots and what's that? That is a couple of pepinos. So, yeah. Matigas na part kaya nasa ilalim. So, next. Last part. I have here toge or bean sprouts ba? Yeah. And kamatis. Dito sana puro lang fruits, kaya lang hindi talaga pwede, hindi kasha. So I have here lots of lemons. I make lemon water and use it all the time, and some oranges and tons of calamansi. On to this side of the fridge, yung kanyang gilid sa likod ng door. First layer, I have here my dairies. So I have here some Gouda cheese for wine nights, and star margarine, the classic, and a couple of butter. Parang yung isa yata salted and yung isa unsalted. So yeah. This is an old Ferrero case na ginawa kong lagayan ng butter. I have here some cheese slices para sa mga sandwiches, especially ni Mark because lagi siya nagbabaan ng sandwich. This one, yeah, this one is a mayonnaise. So matatanong mo, bakit ka pa merong mayonnaise? Diyan may malaking tub ka na ng mayonnaise. It is because hindi ako laging kumukain ng mayonnaise sa malaking tub. I usually put it in this little container, and then anytime na kailangan ko, eto na lang yung bubuksan ko. So, hindi madaling masisira yung mayonnaise ko. Kaya naman is my condiment section. So, I have here my Korean staples, samyang, soybean paste, and gochujang paste. And, of course, pancake syrup, QP roasted sesame, and a couple of oyster sauce. We got this from SNR as well. Wala pa siyang 200 pesos. So, baking soda, it helps eliminate the odors, or pwede nyo rin gawin ilagay yung uling sa small container and then ilagay sa ref. But for us, this works. Kaya, yep. Last two drawers ng main fridge. I got here my dairies. So, one is bukas and the other one is not yet. Since first in, first out, yung isa mo na yung bukas, yung kailangan ubusin bago i-open din tong isa. But nandito na siya para naka-standby, malamig na din. So, I put this on my latte and everything. I love milk. So, this one naman is an Italian dressing and marinade na nilalagay sa salad. So, pag yung mga gulay ko dito, tinotostos ko lang dyan para instant salad, lalagyan mo siya nitong Italian dressing. And hindi pa tapos yung Oreo overload. So, this time naman it is in peanut butter cream, and this one naman is caramel coconut. So, here, wrap for my tortilla. This is whole wheat. Also, one of my favorite mushrooms and gnocchi. I have a couple here. Open the freezer part. My topmost layer, I have here a couple of mojos from Shakey's. And this one naman, I have burger patties. These taste like KFC zingers. So, dalawa siya. I'll put it back lang. And I have here Hungarian sausage. This one is in spicy flavor. And I have here frozen ulam. This is actually kung pao chicken from Kitchen City. This tastes good, by the way. Para sa mga taste na hindi nakapag-defrost and kakain na. So, eto na lang. Because it is microwavable or sa pan lang, ready to eat na. This one naman, sweet and sour fish fillet. Oh, I have here pork liver. And the other one is, what's this? Oh, I have steak pa sirloin. Nag-steak kasi kami the other night. So, I bought 2 pala. So, meron pa ulit kaming extra for some other nights. So, this one naman is, I really can't remove it. Nahihirapan ako. So, I have here frozen tinola and frozen labong. Third layer na tayo. We have here chicken nuggets from SNR. This tastes so good then, and real chicken bites siya. So, I have dalawa. Other one is here. Pero this one is bawas na. So, siya muna. Ubusin mo na to bago yung isa. And I have here naman tapa from Jollibee tapa. Ready to eat na din. Ifa-fry mo lang siya. But it is marinated na siya. And I have here longa dog from Jollibee. Ground beef. Need ko ilabas para makita. Hindi ko na rin memorize kung ano lahat siya. And some beef strips. And oh, I have beef steaks pa pala. Dami ko palang biniling beef steaks. This one also. This layer, mostly fish. So, this big Tupperware, bangus. We have all cuts of bangus because it is Mark's favorite. This one naman is pampano. And this one is dalagang bukid for paksiw. This one naman is a big chunk of bangus na hindi kasya sa Tupperware because this is cut will be for grilling. So yeah. So pag mag-grill kami ng bangus, meron na kami naka-ready. So these are drumsticks, chicken. Third to the last layer, we have here breaded chicken drumsticks. We have here onion rings. We have here, what are these? Another chicken, and this one naman ay pork Shanghai. Ay, oh my god. We have here chicken Shanghai, and this one naman, yung longa dog from Jollibee, and another Hungarian sausage. This one naman is in cheese flavor, and another longa dog from Jollibee for breakfast. Oh, and another zinger. Alright. And another sticks of mozzarella. Okay. And the next naman, here I have some, hindi ko na siya matanggal, pre-cooked na shrimp na bit lang siya. So I have here some seafood bun. And yung natirang french fries, konti na lang siya. Kasi, ni-snacks namin. And mixed veggies. At ang tagal kong pinag-isipan kung ano to, I forgot. Korean noodles na medyo sweet and glass noodles yung gamit. Please, I have to remember you because that is Mark's favorite. And we hadn't had that. We hadn't eaten that for a long time. Kaya, meron na kami niyan ngayon. Some hot dogs. Last layer. Meron naman tayong chicken. Whole chicken na 4 na piraso yan. I believe. So, dito siya because nagtuturbo kami ng chicken. Mahilig kami magturbo ng chicken. That's why hindi pre-cut na yung pinili ko. Here, I have a couple of frozen cucumber with kamatis. And I have here a frozen cucumber because nung sobrang higpit pa talaga and sobrang madaling masisiraan ng gulay, I blanched them and then I freeze them. Tapos nilagay ko siya sa Ziploc na kukunin mo na lang, good for the whole family na sa isang putahes or sa isang dish. So, I have here a couple na natira pa. Gagamitin ko na siya because this prevents na masira yung ano mo, gulay mo. And because I blanched them parang mga 2 minutes lang, yung vitamins and minerals niya contain lang doon sa na-freeze na gulay. Side naman tayo, have here a couple of broccoli and cheese sauce. So, hindi pa namin ito natatry, but Mark's very excited about this one kasi favorite niya yung broccoli. And, yeah, check namin. So, I have here parsley na freeze ko din kasi madaling masira sa akin yung parsley. I have here celery that I put on my juice. This is atay na first in, first out kasi ako. So, etong mga naka-ziplock na to, ito yung mga dati pa na kailangan na sila yung una kong iluluto. So, I have here atay, the last atay. And then, I have here a little chunk of parang 4 lechong kawali na maliit lang. Yung odor eliminator. So, this one naman is yung lagay ng ice cubes. Yup. Pwede mo siyang i-roll. And then, meron siya dito container para ma-store. Magamit ko na while pwede ka pa ulit maglagay. And here naman, I have another mozzarella cheese. Ang takaw mo, besh! This one is Jolly Longa Dog. Another zinger. And some tocino. We have lots of burger patty kasi sandwich is a staple na baon ni Mark. So, need instant yung mga ganyan. Last but not the least, I have here mint and I have here parsley. Na since yan ay sobrang nipis na layer, dyan ko na lang siya nilagay. Since manipis lang din yung nasa Ziploc. Yun ang main fridge namin. Nagtataka kayo, walang sweets na sandamakmak na chocolates and ice cream like other vloggers na marami nakastore sa freezer. Wait lang. You'll see. Okay, nag-change na ako ng hairdo. Nag-updo na ako because sobrang init. Can't take it anymore. So, yeah. And nandito na tayo sa isa pa naming ref. This is a personal ref that is ref And we love this fridge. Nasa room lang namin siya nakalagay para easy access. Anytime na need namin ng something cold, hindi na namin kailangan bumaba. So yeah, let's take a look. Okay, here muna tayo sa first layer, the topmost. This is full of chocolates. We have this 155 pieces of different kinds of Mars chocolates like Snickers, Twix, Milky Way, Musketeers, M&M's. Yep. Ito yung gusto kong combination because ito yung my Twix. And then we have here, ano ba? Okay. Ito yung almond that is coated with black sugar milk tea. So, this is a black sugar milk tea almond. Hindi pa namin to na-try. Yung favorite ni Mark, yung with wasabi na coat. Pero now, ito muna yung ito-try niya. Combination of salty and something sweet. So, we have here Kirkland. God, this is heavy. Milk chocolate almonds also. And another premium chocolate. This is dark chocolate. Yup. Ito yung kinakain ko kapag nag-aaral ako. Nagre-review. Layer naman, we have a few cans of San Miguel Pale Pilsen for those chill nights. And here naman sa side na to, mga breads. Pag nagutom kasi kami sa gabi, ito na yung minamunch-on namin. We have here a couple of ensaimadas. And here is a Mamon Lemon Square. Mga nag-solo pack na lang kasi naubos na mga tira-tira. Water Pops na mango graham, banana chips. That is for expert. Yan. And a cracker. Tirang cracker. This is parang diet or healthy cracker. And I also have here leftover ube cheese pandesal that I ordered all the way from Pasig pa kasi wala talaga akong makitaan near us. And I have here balcony wafer. And this serves as my beauty layer because this is full of my kikay stuff. My pang daily use, my pang big event. This is my favorite mask. If you want to order this kind of mask, please do message me because I sell these. I have a bunch of this kind of mask. And I have here my tomato soothing gel lotion. This is my... Okay, dito naman sa supposedly lalagayan siya ng eggs. Nilalagyan ko pa rin siya ng skincare set. Recent purchase, tomato, fresh brand, sleeping pack, water drop cream, and sun gel that I've been loving so far. If you want me to do a review on this brand, please let me know on the comment section below. And I have here this aloe vera that is an eye cream from Mumuso. This is a great purchase kasi meron na siyang parang magnetic bowl dito na you can apply directly dun sa under eyes ninyo. And it gives you a refreshed feeling kasi ang lamig, soothing, and aloe vera pa siya. I have here a couple of jade rollers pang massage ng face. And I have here, charan, a teaspoon. Bakit ako may teaspoon here? I'll let you know later. So, this side naman, water. Kailangan meron lagi ditong tubig. Couple of cans ng Canada Dry and some soju. Moving on to this side of the personal ref. Are you ready? Because I am. Yeah, we have here ice creams. This is my favorite ice cream, the mint chocolate one, because I love mint. So, anything minty, chocolatey flavor, patol yan. So, yan. I have also here a couple of Ben & Jerry's, New York Super Fudge Crunch, and what's this? Strawberry cheesecake. So, love ni Mark yung Ben & Jerry's. Kaya, meron siya lagi dito na supply. And then, we have here, what's this? Ice cream also na strawberry swirl. Yep. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching and see you again next time. Thank you. Bye!